The Quran as it explains itself, page number 1.
Chapter 1. Al-Fatihah, the opening. The first surah of the Quran is a petition the Almighty has taught us. It teaches us to seek His guidance and support as we pledge to live by His laws. It has been termed the key to the book, and in fact, the title Al-Fatihah carries that meaning. God, in His infinite mercy, instantly responds in the next surah, "Here is the book of guidance you asked for. I most humbly seek shelter with God against the promptings of all evil sources including my own ego. Shayitaan equals Satan equals the straying ego equals selfish desires equals desire that rebels against the higher controls of sound judgment equals emotions that overpower permanent moral values equals intrinsic or extrinsic evil prompting equals negative peer pressure equals violent emotions equals self-glorification equals anything distant from goodness and progress equals false pride equals a rumor monger equals fiery temperament equals slanderer equals a hinderer of good equals he who spreads corruption and disorder on earth equals anyone who impels others into violating divine commands equals a hinderer of good equals bad companionship equals one who deceives or charms people into violating divine laws equals any being or influence that alienates humans from the Creator equals one who distances itself from divine grace. 214, 438, 4:60, 4:83, 4:119, 5:90-91, 643, 6:143, 7:200, 17:26-27, 22:3-4, 25:28-29, 31:21, 67:5. In Hebrew, Satan equals adversary equals one who plots against another. With the glorious name of God, the ultimate source of instant beneficence and eternal mercy who encompasses the entire universe, nourishing and taking care of all things for becoming what they are meant to be, just as a mother's womb nourishes the embryo to completion without any returns. Rahman and Rahim encompasses all the meanings rendered. Before the next surahs, Bismillah will be given a brief translation, with the glorious name of God, the instant and sustaining source of all mercy and kindness. 1:1. All praise is due to God, the sustainer cherisher Lord of the universe and everything therein. The marvels and the profound harmony in the universe is a living witness that its sustainer is truly worthy of all praise. All praiseworthy beings and wonderful things derive their magnificence from Him. Being awestruck by 1.
God is the one who has created countless cosmic bodies, and like them many of the kind of earth. His commands are delivered through all of them, so that you may learn that God has the ultimate decisive power over everything, and that God encompasses and controls all with the knowledge of sciences. Quran chapter 65 at Talaq verse 12.